Lesson 6-1, Variables and Expressions. A variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown amount that can vary. So let's go back to the variable. So if we have y plus 2, that y could have multiple different options. We don't know what y equals. So in further lessons, we're going to learn how to solve for y and figure out what that y is. But if they do not tell you the value of y, it is considered the variable. A y or a variable is what we see in math. They are letters. We don't know the value of the number, so they replace that number. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that involves variables, numbers, and operations. So the example y plus 2, that is an algebraic expression because it contains a variable, it contains a number, and it contains an operation. So it is an expression. We are going to be looking at expressions in two different forms. One form is going to be the word form, and you're going to have to write it using variables and numbers. The other form is going to be giving you the variables and the numbers, and you have to write the word form. So this is where we take words and we put words into math, or we take math and put math into words. So here are just some common words that you see that go with each operation. And these words and the operations are posted above the smartboard in the classroom. There are pink pieces of paper that have these words there so that you can remember them and what operations they go with. So please make sure that you write down all of these words that go with each operation so that you can have them for your reference. So we're going to look at translating algebraic expressions into words. So the first one is n plus 9. So for this example, there's multiple different ways you can write it. But we know that with addition, some of the words that we can use are more than, or in addition to, or plus, or combine. So there's multiple different ways you can write this. You could say a number plus 9, or you could say 9 more than a number. So those are just two of the ways you could say this. For the next one, you have 8m. You could say 8 times a number, because anytime that a number is sitting next to a variable, it means to multiply. So this is 8 times m. So now we're going to look at translating words to algebraic expression. The first one says 6 divided by a number. So we have to figure out which one's the numerator and which one is the denominator. So we can first write it out kind of in sentence form. 6 divided by a number. You can pick any variable in the alphabet to represent a number. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to use n. So 6 divided by n. We can also write this in fraction form of 6 divided by n. Remember, the fraction bar is said as divided by when we're looking in this type of expression. Subtract w from 12. So to subtract something from 12. So that means that you have the 12 and you're taking away w. You don't know what w is, so you don't know how much you're taking away. But you know that you're taking w away from 12. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.